Hey guys, today, let's learn how to share the Airtag location with family members. So if you guys would like to go ahead and share the location of your Airtag with other family members, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to easily do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Find My application, and once we're here, I went to the tap on items, and this gonna show you the option to add an item. From here to step on an item, and I want you to go ahead and add an AirTag. So go ahead and basically have your AirTag near your device so that your device could detect your AirTag, and once that is done, you will have the option after this. You add a person below the specific AirTag, so I want you to go ahead and tap on that Add Person option, enter the Apple ID of the person that you like to add, and proceed with adding. Not easy guys. To add some family members, of course, you do need their Apple ID. Easily just their Apple ID, or the email that to use on their Apple IDs, and then proceed with confirming. And that's how you guys could easily go ahead and peer and share an AirTag location with family members. As all for this video, thank you ways for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.